Welcome to Assiniboine Library's NoodleTools video tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to import a reference for an article or other source with the DOI. Note that when importing references for an article or other source into NoodleTools, it's helpful to have the source open. To add sources to a reference list in NoodleTools, we first have to create a project. If you've already created a project for your assignment, you'll skip the following step and simply click the project title to open it. From the My Projects home screen, click the New Project button and enter a project title. The library recommends using your assignment name as the title of your project. This makes it easy for you to match the reference list to your assignment, especially once you have multiple projects created in NoodleTools. For our example today, we'll use Academic Integrity Paper. Once the project title is entered, click the Submit button. Your newly created project will now display on the project home screen. To add sources to the project, click the project title. Click the New Source button. For our example today, we'll be citing a journal article from a database with a DOI. Keep in mind that other sources, like books or articles not found in a database, can also have a DOI. Since our source is an article located in a database, we'll select the database option from the list. The source we retrieved from the database is a journal article, so we'll select the journal option from the list of source types. The editing form opens where we can search for the article we're citing and can edit the available details about it. We'll be searching for the article by its DOI, an alphanumeric string that provides a persistent link to content online. An article's DOI can be found in a variety of places, depending on the source and from where the source is being accessed. In our example, the DOI is located below the title, author names, and other details. Copy the DOI and paste it into the DOI field in NoodleTools. A search button appears at the end of the field. Click the search button. If NoodleTools has a record of our article in its database, a pop-up box will display the article details. Verify that the article details displayed match your article. If they do, click the Import Data button. Sometimes the imported reference has formatting errors, so at this point, it's important to review the reference details to make sure they're formatted correctly. Consult the article to verify that the reference details are correct. One of the great things about NoodleTools is it will usually notify us when it detects an error in formatting. However, it doesn't always detect errors, so it's up to you to verify that the formatting is correct. But don't worry, NoodleTools helps remind us what the formatting rules are by providing helpful tips for each field. When a field is selected, an information icon displays. Click the icon to open the tip for that particular element of the reference. For example, here we see that NoodleTools reminds us that the article title should be capitalized in sentence style. Looking at our imported title, it's capitalized correctly. However, if the title were imported with incorrect capitalization style, NoodleTools would display a warning icon, as we can see here. When we click into a field that displays a warning icon, NoodleTools tells us what error is detected and makes suggestions on how to fix it. Pay close attention to the capitalization in both the article title and journal name fields. These are the two pieces of information that most commonly have formatting errors when imported. Once you're confident that the formatting and information in the form is correct, click the Save button. Your source will now display in the reference list. That concludes this tutorial on importing a reference for an article or other source with a DOI. Watch our other videos in this series for further guidance in using NoodleTools.